Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Mogo's mission and vision. Mogo is a Canadian financial technology company with a mission to empower its members to achieve financial health. They do this by providing simple, innovative, and accessible digital financial solutions. Their core philosophy is centered on putting the customer first and helping them take control of their financial well-being. Mogo's vision is to revolutionize the way people manage their money. They aim to be a leader in the financial technology sector, known for their commitment to innovation and customer-centric solutions. By leveraging technology, they want to make personal finance more approachable and less intimidating for everyone. This forward-thinking approach is about creating a more financially literate and empowered society, helping people transition from debt and borrowing to long-term wealth building. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.